Imagine biting into a slice of bread that's incredibly soft on the inside, yet delightfully crispy on the outside. This is sourdough potato bread, a unique twist on traditional sourdough that might just become your new favorite. Sourdough potato bread offers the best of both worlds. It has the tangy flavor and health benefits of sourdough, combined with the moisture-rich, fluffy texture that potatoes bring to baked goods. Surprisingly, you cannot taste the potatoes at all. Instead, they work their magic behind the scenes, creating a bread that's perfect for sandwiches, toast, French toast, or simply enjoyed on its own. But the benefits don't stop at texture. Potatoes add nutritional value too, increasing the bread's fiber, protein, potassium, and vitamin B6 content. This hearty loaf is ideal for chilly winter evenings, paired with a warm bowl of soup, or as the foundation for a satisfying sandwich. To make this bread, you'll need a few key ingredients. Mashed potatoes are the star of the show, and this recipe is a great way to use up leftovers. You'll also need milk, salt, sugar, butter, active sourdough starter, and all-purpose flour. For tools, a stand mixer, loaf pans, and a bench scraper will come in handy. The process begins with preparing your mashed potatoes if you don't have leftovers. Then combine all ingredients in a stand mixer with a dough hook. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This is a wetter dough, so be patient during the kneading process. After kneading, place the dough in a greased bowl and let it bulk rise for about 8 hours in a warm place. Once doubled, divide the dough into 2 equal parts, shape them to fit your loaf pans, and let them rise again for 2 to 3 hours. Finally, bake the loaves in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Here are some helpful tips. If you don't have leftover mashed potatoes, you can use potato flakes. For those without a stand mixer, you can use the stretch and fold technique instead. And if you're dairy-free, you can substitute the milk with potato water and use vegan butter. Sourdough potato bread is more than just a recipe. It's a versatile addition to your baking repertoire. Whether you're looking for a way to use up leftover mashed potatoes or simply want to try a new twist on sourdough, this bread delivers on both flavor and texture. Give it a try, and you might find it becoming a new staple in your kitchen.